Alright, so we're gonna be opening Subway Vault with Foxy Jr. So head over to his channel and subscribe. Alright, let's go.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Loki, I just speed this part up in between here.
I haven't been to Subway in a while.
Yeah, I love Subway so much.
I just go to hospital because it's a little easier.
I love Subway and what's it called? Haunted.
Ooh, Haunted is really good. It's like super easy and it gives good.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I got another key card.
Nice.
Dude, come on, reset, come this way. Brother, let me know if you need ammo. Do you need ammo?
No, I got 160.
Okay. Oh my god. It's like it's a barrier. I can't see.
So what our goal is to get a legendary.
Yeah, we need legendary.
That's what Foxy Jr. here is doing. He's doing opening vault until he gets a legendary.
Alright, well, time for the key card in. Walk in, right?
Can I get one of these purple crits?
Yeah, you get that one at the back.
I got an assault rifle.
I got no.
I got a bull. Look, I got an assault rifle. Wait, don't you have
I
another
got
key card?
a laser sight and an SMG.
Don't you have another key
Alright.
card?
I do, yeah, we'll actually do that. We didn't get legendary crit on the first one, but we might from the second one. So, alright, can you place it in? Because I've got to cool down. Alright, let's go.
Alright, I'll take this one. I'll take this one.
Oh, look, yeah, I wanted that one.
Oh, you got better. You got better stuff.
Yeah, I got better. Alright. Yeah.
Can I get this ammo?
Yo, oh wait, yeah, wait, I'll give you some ammo. I've got a bunch.
Yeah, okay.
No legendary crit from the no legendary crit from the 2 volts we did today.
So, no legendary.
Let's go.
Let's go back. See if we get anything good on the way back, guys.
No. Zombonk.
Yep.
Oh, well, I was just talking to. Don't ask me what I was playing.
Well, guys, we got bunions. Alright, see ya.